we all know CapCut has gone stingy. They always want you to get the pro version, to the point where they even added a freaking watermark, and you have to pay to remove that watermark. CapCut didn't have any sort of watermark in the older versions, and they just keep adding so many features that it just becomes more laggy. I was able to export videos so smoothly on the older versions, but on the newer versions it just crashes a lot, and it is just super annoying to use because of the lag. And CapCut even forces you to use the newest version, because if you manage to download some specific older versions, it'll give you security error stating to download the newest version. I even tested out the latest cracked versions of CapCut, and a few days later I still get the security error. So I have tested out a bunch of older versions of CapCut, and I think I found the best version. And the best thing about it is that there will be no watermark. It is completely free and legal to use. I've been using it for a few days, almost a week, and I didn't see any sort of security errors. Plus it runs really smoothly, although there are a few drawbacks which I'll explain. So if you go above version 10, there's a good chance that you'll see the security error. But if you go below 10, like let's say 9 or 8, then I don't think you will get any sort of security errors unless CapCut updates those older versions to force you to download the new version. So basically, if you go below 10, 9 or 8, you won't see any security errors. It's gonna run really smooth, but you're just gonna miss out some new features. However, if you go above that, you're gonna get new features, but there's a good chance you'll get the security error sooner or later. So I'm currently using version 8.7.0, and here's how to install it. Okay, so the way you're going to download this version of CapCut is, first of all, search CapCut version 8.7.0. This is the version that has worked for me. So let's go ahead and click on the first link and scroll down and click on scroll to available downloads. Then click on the second variant, which is 8.7.0 APK. Then scroll down and click on download APK. It's only about 160 megabytes. Now you can wait and it will start the download. Alright, so once the download's done, you can go ahead and install it. For me, I've already installed it, so mine says update, but if you haven't installed it, it's gonna say install. So after installation, you can go ahead and open it, and this version pretty much has no security errors whatsoever. So I have tried this for a few days and I don't really see any sort of security errors. And also, if you want to remove that ending CapCut logo, just go to settings and disable add default endings, then click discard, and then it will turn off. And it also has like most of the features available, which of course for me, I wanted the auto lyrics generator, and it actually has that. You can go ahead and text and see that it has the auto lyrics generator option. You can also find most of your effects and trending effects as well. You can see right here, of course most of these are going to be pro, you can't use it, but you can at least use the basic versions. And most importantly, this version is really smooth. So if you have an older phone or an older Android version, this version will definitely run smoothly. And finally, if you go ahead and export it, you won't see any sort of CapCut logo, because let's go ahead and export this at its peak quality and go ahead and export. We'll just have to wait for a few seconds. Alright, so I have opened up the video, and as you can see, there is no CapCut logo whatsoever. So yeah, this version does not have the CapCut logo, and you can pretty much export it for free. So that is how you get rid of the CapCut watermark. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. So see ya.